Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ghana ni bade share ohu omanpani dada Mahama na membu ni bi na okase. Ochre se owum se Ghana yehia change. But omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama pa no de sa change ni bade a ene na Ghana fo ye wu kra nkeye. Second coming of omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no eye antichrist ena oba nti Ghana fo yemfa ye ho adwen so omanpani dada say NDC for sorry NPP a member no omo mercy economy no omo ayese but omanpani dada oba nso ye huda ye hu na member da ye hu de obeye e dem pa no obeye ye sonko esin de NPP for abeye nti yen sanso fa member no enhye say papa e tre so omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama de Ghana sanso kodi ni sem bia ye wu yenti nsem de etudwa
once sign ye we hear the actions na say mu na minim say oso wasesa no started say to ababa na obeko holidays de na yere ne makoji omani kakra ana me wo say hey sa papa once sign ye o sa ba
I say Americans that's how I can holidays okay say okay
that one can honeymoon
na honeymoon and holidays content no in holidays
now oh yeah you might not say about honeymoon anya holiday na
holiday man now
Ama say honeymoon
Yeni abre di o ma hye wonsa e di akofna hye wonsa
di pa ne so pebre na o di ahyehye no ama
nti wan ka honeymoon na na
on use honeymoon word no na
Maka ya se mo ya na wo defend kwa ya na mente wase wan ka honeymoon
di pa kan se
di pa ne se o pe honeymoon so fibre tree
na honeymoon e holiday
o ya e fra ko honeymoon anya holiday na ko o ba adwuma
etu nte be
abi baba nie my daddy baba nie aba ye na na mo bu nyina what honeymoon bi wo mu da abrafo o mu bu ba kra what honeymoon wo mu da hey obisi ya man kwa one na yere ne ma nkoso ba bi no mo nyi o mani omo ji o mani so mama ya timeline ne brain na so ya 4 years pe ye ntimi fa mi kan obi
set man kasa
backing vocalist man back me kakra Majay the man is a living contradiction papa no say jana January mponi o na bedu December ana say bedu June January mponi no why bohoa to the extent say ne refisi ato about 7 December o si about 24 December inti we oba na odina onim na o hye oba hunu say de o ka bia no enkoyie emfam ye hwe ni ye pa na Ghana ye se pensesan a anya nsesan boni sei nsesan ye nyina nim nsesan ne se ne ana esitie abra na okita na se ana otwi papa oba ya friend say Julius Malema oba na ye ni age oba kika bia kire aban hunu so say hey so we are former president kwaswa na wadodo de any incentives e de ma wo ho to no enjoy no ne ye hia futuo bi a ye nim se wo ahomje mu no ye hia futuo bi a ye beba honom ne aba abeje now say ba besim se wo de bia ba criticize sitting government you will lose focus abama wo ti wonom a se wo kansam wa na aka se wo kansam adada nkrofo adwene no mato abade amount wo dada nkrofo no majeri na nkrofo na wo dada wo mu no enso bompaye
ka ho ni na akeka ho ma ni ye wanka se enye ne project ntianka wuram wanka se enye ono na na akufu ado aban ene de ba yi nti onhwe so ohwe so e ma KGT market phase 1 yetumi wie ye e ma ye bie ya ne ye gusu a ye phase 2 of Kumasi Central Market ene ma ha ma ekogina osan akodada o mudi but you remember them everything that they have done. Another video I would like to play today. Awawadie bia digital bawumia owia na me the Captain Smart asem ketua bia befam na ma kyerem ha wo musi dada mo on media. Yiwia mebo Fatima Abubakar video na yede ende osom no abawiye na afi those who want to call into Yamamo opportunity. Now, what to me, Akasa. Until for now, the first video I want to play is this video. Now, where Umbazi Unkojo and then Iwiela or no ever Ghana Free Trade World Trade Organization for one representative and a penny back woman no. Na someone okay ni na say Ghana for more ya dear pie, especially with the digitization and air cost so many phone in a michiamo, no more trade, and we be out to more motion. Now, and I'm sad digitization now Ghana edi kanya wamu yenintino. Ebema ya ma minimum a tongue with ja and they did ja online near the idea because the government has done well. And the end this initial was some will be son is Canamo the idea and I'm waiting here, good father by idea and waiting here. And your man Kufado buy on any about me to Nyan, a B and a mammy, every World Trade Organization ton, Ebeka train, Mutiano.
Exciting areas of work at the WTO that I just want to touch on. I'm very happy that today we'll be meeting small and medium enterprises, especially women who are engaged in digital trade. One of the most exciting happenings in the world today is the rise of digital trade. Digital is doing quite well from the numbers that we can see. So this is an area I want to encourage Ghana very much.
Yes, yeah, Dabonibio.
Well, today is the right.
Digital trade is the nature of our new world order. And then grocery required near the Abreu. A person with Tom Kakra, with Tom Quine Kakra, with Towe Kakra, yet digitizing the Abreu. That is where the world is going. Now, Baumia Bekacho said digitization was a digitized now, Swabon. Baumia Bekase, yen digitize the economy, Wabekasi Yabon. Muntie, Gobia on your gun and he's warning the importance of Baumia. No one dance in Udi.
Are growing fastest, and in Ghana is doing quite well from the numbers that we can see. So this is an area I want to encourage Ghana very much. Digitally delivered and traded services in Ghana are doing well, whether it's professional services from business outsourcing, trading, intellectual services and back office functions with others, or digital trade of women. There are many women I can see, and also men, who are trading here on the internet, and that is growing very, very fast. We are trying to develop rules at the WTO that will guarantee fairness and predictability for such trade. We will be meeting some of the people trading digitally today, and because Ghana is doing well in this area, I really want to encourage that young people and women, should do more digital.
Or say, and I'm saying Ghana. Born homodin, a ban digitization, Tino. Or no, dear, or by encouraging any animal mana, moya, a bianu will fear. And now with fear, Namoto, a co deliver with Bianama, also the importance of Baumia and Yamida Tiauka. And now, we okada mine, we a motorbike, and I'm digitization, GPS in TN, yet to me, the Bianus Mano.